Welcome back to another Excel tutorial. Today I want to explore how to use the CHOOSEROWS function. The CHOOSEROWS function in Excel is used to select specific rows from a range or array based on the row index numbers you specify. This function is particularly useful when you need to extract specific rows from a large dataset, for instance to focus on particular entries or to simplify further analysis. The CHOOSEROWS function belongs to the group of dynamic array functions within Excel and selects rows from an array or range based on the specified index numbers. The syntax starts by choose rows, open parentheses. First of all, you need to specify the array and then the index numbers. And array is the array or range from which to choose the rows, and index number 1, index number 2, etc. are the index number of rows to select. So I would say we just start by an example. As you can see, we have our table here and we have 3 different regions, and for each of them we have our sales. And I can now use the CHOOSEROWS function to get an extract of this data. And I can show you what I mean by that. I just start by typing in CHOOSEROWS, open parentheses. I mark the array and make sure to mark the complete array. And now, as we are using rows and not columns, we need to count from up to down. If we would have the CHOOSECOLS function, which I explained in my last video, you would count from left to right. So the headers now is our row 1, north is our second row, south our third, and east our fourth row. And if I want to have, for example, just the sales of my east row, I can say, okay, I want to have the headers, which is in 1, and east, which is 4. I close the parentheses again, I hit enter, and as you can see, you'll get back the headers and you'll get back the sales for the east region. And you can now use this new table, this new data, or this, better said, this extract of data for further analysis or for data management or whatever you like. You can, of course, also adapt it. So if I click back in the cell where the function is in, I can also say, okay, now I also want to have the south region. So I just type in 3 because south is in our third row and hit enter. And now I would also get south back and I can do further analysis with the new set of data. Yeah, and this is basically how the CHOOSEROWS function works. I hope you liked this video. If you did like it, I would appreciate a thumbs up and see you in the next video.